Today I got some new skates that I ordered from Amazon. They are called the Candi Girl Carlin Quad Artistic Roller Skates. And today I'm doing an unboxing because I'm so excited that I got some skates, because I had some other skates and they broke on me literally last week. So I had to get some new ones because while we're in quarantine, you know, we gotta keep ourselves busy and active. And I love to roller skate, so I'm so happy that I got some. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with these roller skates. You know, the box says heavy because, you know, skates are heavy. You know, just in case you guys didn't know. But let's get started. Woohoo! Oh my gosh! Look at it. It says Candi Girl. Oh my gosh, Candi Girl. Oh, if you know that song, you know what I'm referencing to. But oh my gosh, guys, look. Candi Girl Roller Skates. And as you can see, it has the Candi Girl label, you know, on the top, on the side, all over the box. And it has the picture of all the specs of the roller skate. And yeah, you guys can see I have really big feet, size 10. And I got them in seafoam because it's such a pretty color. Oh my God, we're gonna open it. We're opening it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Roller skate action. Wow. And these did cost me $99, but there's tax, so it ended up being like $102 for them. But oh my gosh, they're so pretty and so nice. Wow, look at this. These skates are so freaking pretty. Look at that. And they are a nice suede material, and they have the Candi Girl logo right there on the side embedded in the shoe. It has nice wheels. I believe they are at 82A hardness of the wheel, which is good for like outdoors, kind of like for indoors. But I will be using these outdoors because I love to outdoor roller skate. And you know, they're awesome. You know, it has a toe stopper. Wow, they're so nice. And white laces. The tongue. It seems pretty sturdy. It seems like a really good roller skate shoe. I'm really excited to use these. As you can see, the whole skate right there. It's so nice. I ordered these from Amazon. It took about a week to come since, you know, with the quarantine, some things, you know, this is not an essential item, but you know, it came in a week, which is pretty good. It came in good time. It's really nice skate. As you can see, the whole lace, you can see the eyelets. Wow, it's really nice. Really. Guys, look at that. I'm so excited to go skating. The shoe is so beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna just open the other shoe. You know, it's the exact same thing. It smells just like a shoe. Look at that. It's so nice. Look at that. Wow. That's really nice. Look at that. Look at the boot. Look at that. It's such a nice material. Like, it's really sturdy for outdoors. It's really nice. Wow. And it doesn't look that big because I am a size 10. Like, it doesn't look gigantic to me, but it's really good. I'm about to try them on right now so you guys can see. So you guys get to look at it a little bit more. Look at that beauty. Look at that pretty skate. Look at that. Ooh, look at that skate. Okay. And let's see if there's anything else in the box. That piece of cardboard. Oh, and it has everything that you need to know about the skate. Again, it is a Carlin quad skate. It has a bunch of information about the skate and everything you need to know. Let me read some of it. It just talks about like safety, protective gear, the warranty that it has on it, and maintenance and storage tips and information that you will need for your brand new skates. And yeah, so let me see. Anything that I don't already know? Well, it's pretty basic information and things just to keep you safe while you're skating. So I'm gonna keep that in the box. And I'm gonna go try these on right now so you guys can get a good look. I'm so excited. I hope these are the right size, because that'll be really sad if I have to return these. I don't want to. I want to start skating today because it is a sunny, beautiful day outside. So, what shoes is this? Okay, I'm gonna put it on my left foot. You know, it comes with that in there. Unlace their string. Again, look how beautiful this is. It's a sexy roller skate. It's really nice and it's super affordable at the same time. Okay. As you can see. This is the right side, right? Okay. All right, it's the right. Wow, it's really. Okay. All right. It seems spacious, like it's spacious. Okay. So I'm going to put my feet in. And I was really scared about getting these shoes because I'm really a 9 wide, but I got a 10 because I was afraid of like it not fitting if I got a 9. But I'm not really gonna lace them all the way up. I just wanted you guys to see. Look at that. Ooh, look at that skate. Ooh, wow. I'm gonna have to get used to these. Wow, they're so nice. Ooh, look at that. So they're really nice. I really love these skates. They're really awesome. If you're looking for an affordable skate that looks good and will probably last you a long time, this is a great skate to get because when the boot is made from like a suede material, it's really good for outdoors and it creases less and messes up less, because when you're outdoor skating, you're gonna get through a couple of bumps and falls depending how good of a skater you are. I'm a beginner / intermediate. So this is the perfect skate if you're just like me, if you're learning or you kind of already know how to skate and you're getting back into skating. This is the perfect skate for that. Here's another close-up view of these beautiful, awesome skates. They fit, they're comfortable, they're awesome, they're perfect. I'm so excited to go skating. Again, here's the skates. You know, thanks for watching. I hope you're excited about getting your skates, or if you're thinking about getting these skates, you should get them. They're totally good, great. They're sturdy, they seem like they're gonna last a long time, and they're really, really cute. So thanks for watching.